You've seen Canva before, but not like this.
Canva just launched its most powerful update ever, introducing Canva AI.
From design for me to create an image, draft a doc, code for me, and create a video clip, everything you need is right here in one smart panel. In this video, I'll show you how each of these AI tools works with real, practical examples, step by step. No watermark, no extra apps, no payments, just pure Canva AI power. Open Canva, and this is the interface you will see on your screen. In this video, I will be showing you everything about Canva AI and how it works. Now, just click here on the Canva AI button and let the magic begin. And boom, you will see new options pop up right here. Let's start with a quick look at what each function does. When you click on Design for Me, more options appear. You can choose social media for posts and thumbnails, presentation for slides, marketing for ads and promotions, cards and invitations for personal or event designs, logo to create brand identity. It's time to see in practice how we can use each feature. Let's start with social media and create a post. Once you click on social media, different format options will open. Just choose the one you need. Next is presentation. Once you click on it, more options appear. The first option is audience, and when you select it, more categories open. Just choose the one that fits your requirement. Once you click on the next options, you will see multiple style choices. Just select the category that best fits your needs. The next and last option in presentation is length. Once you click on it, you can choose the number of pages you want for your presentation. Just select the one that fits your requirement. The next category is marketing. Once you click on it, it offers multiple formats. You can simply choose the one that fits your requirements. Let's try one of them for practice. For example, click on the business card format, then write your prompt here, according to your requirement. After completing the prompt, simply click on the Submit button. After a few seconds, your business card will be ready. After choosing the card you like, simply click on this button to edit it. Just click on any card, the text will automatically be selected for editing, and you can change it however you want. The next one we are going to practice is a poster. After selecting the poster format, write your prompt here. Canva AI will generate your poster in just a few seconds. Select the poster you like and click to edit it. Click here to upload your own house photo. Or search here for whatever is in your mind, and you will see it turn into reality just like this. The next topic is cards and invitations. Canva AI offers 3 different formats here: card, invitation, and postcard. The next topic is logo. Click on it and write your prompt here. Within a few seconds, you will see the result here. We have explored just one Canva AI feature. Now, let's move on to the next powerful tool called Create an Image. Click on the Style button and you'll be amazed at the variety of styles available. Click here to select your screen size and choose the one that fits your design best. Now, write your prompt to describe the type of image you want to generate. You'll see the results here. Just choose the image that suits you best. Click on this icon to download the image, or use this icon to edit it further. If you want to go back from the current feature to another one, or to the main menu, just click this cross icon right here. The next feature is Craft a Document. Just click on it, and you'll be amazed to see a wide variety of ready-made document templates waiting for you. I'm gonna try one of them for practice, but you can choose whichever template you prefer. Write your script, hit generate, and within a few seconds, your post will be ready. If you're not satisfied with the result, don't worry. You'll see 3 options. Try any of them to experiment and find the one that works best for you. If you're still not satisfied, simply click on More Designs to explore additional options. The next Canva AI feature is Code for Me. Using this feature, simply write the prompt for any code and Canva AI will generate it for you.
If you don't want to write your own, Canva also gives you ready-made templates.
For example, you can use the grocery list builder to quickly make a shopping list, the interactive certificate to design certificates that fill in details automatically,
or the biology quiz to create quizzes without any coding.
So whether you want custom code or ready templates, this feature makes it fast and easy. Let's try one ready-made template to test it out.
Amazing! Canva AI handles it perfectly.
Next up is the Groceries List Builder, a super handy tool where you can generate anything related to groceries.
Next up in Canva AI's Code for Me features is Interactive Certificate. With just a simple prompt, you can instantly generate any type of certificate.
Next up is the Biology Quiz feature. With this tool, you can create your own quiz for any subject. It's super useful for teachers, students, and examiners. Next, we have the Create a Video Clip feature, where you can generate any kind of video with just one simple prompt. With this feature, you can customize everything from video style and aspect ratio to duration, framing, and even lighting. Now let's try generating a sample video to see how it works. Now choose the style you like. It's totally up to you. Now select the aspect ratio you need for your design. Next, select the video duration according to your project. Next, we have framing. With this feature, you can pick different camera angles for your video, like a close-up, a distant shot, or even an over-the-shoulder view. And the last feature for video creation is lighting. Here, you can pick the lighting style you want: soft, hard, dark, golden, cool, or even night light. It gives your video the perfect mood. Now I'm going to write a simple prompt to test it out. Let's see what Canva AI creates.
Investing in real estate is not just about acquiring property, it's about building a foundation for your future and securing long-term financial stability.
Check this out. Canva AI just generated this video, and it looks so real. Everything's perfect from the visuals to the details.